Hi guys! For today's video, we are in the hunt for the trending tote bags of Trader Joe's. So, kasi guys, dun sa amin, ang hirap-hirap na makakuha ng mga tote bags kasi karamihan ng mga Asians ay nakatira dun sa lugar namin, kaya mabilis siyang maubos. So, we were advised na kung gusto daw naming bumili ay we have to go outside the area and then bisitahin ang iba't ibang Trader Joe's sa aming vicinity. So right now, this is our first stop. We are in Grass Valley here in Sacramento. Sobrang layo, pero yeah, may pinuntahan kasi kami kaya napadaan na kami dito. So on the way from Reno, Nevada, going down to San Francisco, lahat ng Trader Joe's na madadaanan namin ay check namin kung meron siyang mga tote bags ng Trader Joe's. So this is our first stop. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's see kung meron sila. Ano? Wala.
Nag-ikot ka.
Nothing. They only have this one. Right here. Aww.
Fail.
Alright.
Sa Pinoy.
First stop. Wala. Wala sila. Maybe they run out. Or I don't know. May nakita kami doon ibang mga tote bags pero mga lalaki. Large ones. Hindi yun ang aming hinahanap. So, it's okay. First stop pa lang yun. Marami pa dyan. Let's go to the next store. See you there. So we're now here at our second location, Trader Joe's in Vacaville. So it's about an hour after dun sa last nating location na pinuntahan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So sana meron siya. Tingnan natin. Uh-oh. Unfortunately, wala na naman. So ito pala, ang area na to ay Fairfield na pala siya. Akala ko Vacaville pa. Kaya siguro dapat early morning, or I mean pagbukas pa lang siguro dapat bumili ka na dahil mabenta nga yung yung tote bag na yun. Pero last destination namin ay sa Pinole. Doon kami nakabili nung last time. So tingnan natin kung meron pa. If not, then we give up sa ating hunt for the tote bag. Grabe ka, Trader Joe's. Napakapahirap mo sa amin. Anyway, let's see. Ilang bang miles yun? Tingnan natin. Trader Joe's. Pino. Ayan. So, closes at 9 p.m. Tingnan natin kung ilang 28 minutes. So yun, malapit na. Malapit na rin naman to sa bahay, kaya along the way na rin lang naman siya. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Pinole. Last stop. Pag wala pa dito, uwi na kami. Better luck next time. What did you get?
And then
Peanut butter and almonds. And chocolate.
Yes, back? Yes. Alright, 17.7. Do you still guys gonna sell
The tote bag?
the small tote bag? Depends. Sometimes they just come spontaneously. We don't really ever have a set date until they tell us they're coming.
Okay. But recently, did you sell it?
Huh?
Did you just sell it? I mean,
Yeah, we
recently?
just sell it like out of nowhere.
Okay.
So, but you could always ask the front. They always have a little bit more information on it.
Okay.
But as of right now, we're not doing it for a while since the last sale. Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry. Bigo! As usual. This is the third store. Wala talaga. Anyway. We ended up buying milk chocolate, peanut butter, and veggie stick. Or veggie chips.
Natira pa sa akin isa.
So yun nga guys, wala tayong nabili. 3 stores ang pinunta natin, wala daw. And nagtanong kami doon sa may cashier, and they said they're not selling it regularly. Depends on the delivery, but recently wala. Well, we'll try again next time, and then probably we'll come here early in the morning. I mean, when the store just opens, para makabili tayo kung meron man. Okay, so we tried 3 times, we failed, but it's okay. Better na yun na nagpunta kami kesa naman we're just speculating kung meron ba o wala. So at least now we have an idea. So that's it. Meron pa naman natira sa kanyang isa piraso, kaya abang-abang na lang next time. Okay? So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell button for more videos. Okay, bye bye.